Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to use design grids. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, design grids are basically tools and it got the following characteristic. It is a way of thinking that basically allow us to organize, interconnect all the different components in a graphic design or in a graphic composition and generate a solution more complete. To think in a systemic or holistic way, we have to understand that an element is influential by its context, its environment, and the people who use it. So when we use design grids, we are thinking a lot in how can basically we can conform and organize everything. Thinking as with and designing with design grid is extremely important because it will allow us to organize everything in a logical way. So when we talk about design grids, the first thing that we need to know is what are we going to do. But before explaining, if you like our content, subscribe to our channel, give it a like to this video and everything that you are looking, and of course turn on the bell so you don't miss anything that we are creating. So like I was telling you, the first thing that you can do when you are using design script is what type of development it's going to be done. And that changed a lot because it's not the same to develop an interface for a website that develop an interface for an application. So you need to know very well what are you going to do and how are you going to do it. If you are going to develop an infographic or something like that, is extremely important as well. So when we talk about grid, it's basically customized to any format. You can use it horizontal, vertical, it doesn't matter. But the most important thing is that design grids are created of modules. These models, you can use it in very different ways. Here we're using in the traditional way, and as you can see, we can find a lot of different modules in the horizontal and in the front of the development. The distance between module and module is called lines of flow. When we put together different modules in a line, it's called columns. And we can also put together different kind of models, a space of zone. For example, if I want to put a graphic here, I can use it like put it everything together. There are different grids. The manuscript grids is the one that you usually found when you are writing a text or a document, and it's basically just one block. We also have the modular grid, is this one, but changing of in horizontal to vertical. And basically here what we want to is to personalize to the need that we are looking. We got column grids, is this one you use it especially for newspapers of magazine. That it will help you a lot to understand everything that we got and we are developing. And of course, the hierarchical grids is the one that we use when we are trying to remark something that is more important, so you put it bigger and you can personalize it with what you're looking. Design grids are many different ones. There's golden ratio, law or of thirds, but these ones are the basic ones that you find in newspapers, in magazines, in some websites, and depending of the need that you have, like you can be evolving that situation. As a conclusion, we can say that grids can be used in any way and can be adapted to any different needs and formats. Allows for a logical order, not to make it intuitive, and to distribute the informations in a layout that makes sense. It is complementary to the golden ratio and any other type of grid because there are many different types of grid, but these ones are the basic one, the modular or the design grid. You can use it in very different ways, but it's extremely important that you know what are you going to develop and what is the purpose and the objective of this development. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday we have a new video in English. Our Udemy courses are already available, so if you want to have more information, in the description of this video you can find the link. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.